In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a data entry form in Microsoft Excel. We'll walk through a simple setup that makes entering information into Excel much easier and more organized. This is especially useful if you want a cleaner way to add records without typing directly into the spreadsheet every time. To begin, open your Excel sheet and type some data into the cells. You can enter as many columns as you want, depending on the kind of information you plan to collect. For example, each column can represent a field such as an ID, a date, a category, or any other label you need. The important thing here is to create the structure first because the form will use this layout. Once your data or headers are in place, highlight the cells you want to include. Make sure you select the full range properly, since Excel will use that selection to build the table and the form connected to it. Next, go to Insert and choose Table. When the dialog box appears, make sure to check the option that says My Table has headers. This is important because Excel uses those header names as the field labels inside the data entry form. After that, confirm the table creation. Now, we need to enable the form command because in many versions of Excel, it does not appear on the ribbon by default. To do that, right-click anywhere on the ribbon area and choose Customize the ribbon. This opens the Excel options where you can add your own tools. In the customization window, click New Tab. A new tab will appear in the ribbon list. Rename that tab to Data Entry so it's easy to recognize later. This helps keep the feature organized and easy to find whenever you need it. After creating the tab, click New Group inside that tab. Then look for the drop-down labeled Choose Commands From and change it to Commands Not in the Ribbon. This will show additional Excel commands that are available but hidden from the standard ribbon layout. From that list, find Form, select it, and click Add. This places the form command into your new data entry tab or group. Then click OK to save your changes and return to the workbook. At this point, your setup is complete. Go to the new data entry tab you created and click the form button. Excel will open the data entry form based on your table headers. You can now use it to enter records more quickly and neatly. And that's it. Your Excel data entry form is now ready to use, giving you a more efficient way to manage information directly inside your spreadsheet.